is dead. So after the video I did the other night with the Trump prayer at the Villages, Spanish Springs, where the villagers for Trump were down there, I sent the drone up. I have a DJI Mavic Air 2. I sent the drone up to get some shots. It was nighttime, it was dark. It worked fine, nothing happened. But the next day, yesterday, I tried to do the live entertainment, the first day of live entertainment at the Villages Squares, and went to get up to get the drone up in the sky, and the drone wouldn't go up at all. So it won't connect to my controller, I can't connect it to the computer, I can't reset it, can't do anything. After searching the interwebs, I found out that it's basically a bad processor, and I'm gonna have to send it back to DJI to get this, get a new one. The videos will be a little different for the next, I don't know how long it's going to take me to get a new one, the next few weeks I guess. It will give an opportunity for me to do some different kind of videos. I'll use some of the older stuff and put a few videos together for y'all. I do have some stuff from St. Catherine and the Hawkins area, so which is coming up in this video, but I ain't gonna lie to you, a little disappointed about this. Just extremely disappointed, and it just took the wind right out of me yesterday when I couldn't get it to work. So I've spent 2 days on it now. Anyway, St. Catherine and Hawkins area, they're doing a lot over there, and let's take a look. Okay, so we are starting out right now flying over Morse Boulevard, and you can see obviously St. Catherine. I lit it up there for you. But they're starting the remnants of St. Catherine, the village of St. Catherine, and that's where they're building. Once again, this is going to be that Sawgrass Grove area. So if you haven't seen the Sawgrass Grove golf course and things like that, I do have that in previous videos. I'll try and link that for you. As we move east here along the Florida Turnpike, which is on the right of your screen, we are passing over the Case and Hammock Village right now, or what will be the Case and Hammock Village, and looking at Citrus Grove Village. St. Catherine will run all the way along the left side of your screen along those trees, and then you have the rec center here straight in front of you, which I just pointed out on the screen that they're getting started on. Most of the parking is done. They like to get the parking done, and then they do the main building. Then they start doing some of the courts, like the tennis courts, shuffleboard courts, and the pickleball courts as well. Just spin around and take a look at that. It's going to be pretty nice because it's bumped up against that little retention pond slash lake area, depending on how many gallons it has, I guess. And then you have another smaller rec center on the other side with a pool. And this area has the shuffleboard and some of the other courts already cemented out. I believe this is going to be one of those little where you can get your mail area for St. Catherine. This is all St. Catherine, what's in your screen right now. That whole area is the St. Catherine area. And then we're going to fly back over where they have all the houses already done. You can see all the mail slots for the village of St. Catherine. Then we'll pan around and you can actually see that they're out here working on the pool as we're doing the flyover here. Headed back over this, you're looking toward Bradford and Chitty Chatty, which are right on the other side of these trees, which, by the way, the Chitty Chatty Bridge is set to open on October 9th, which right now, when you're watching this video, will be 2 days. So like I said at the beginning, the drone is down, but I will try and get out there with the camera and do some live Facebook video while I'm out there. I was going to do that at the the squares for the live entertainment. It's pretty flabbergasted that my drone went down. But so you're looking at what they're building in St. Catherine now, and then over the road here, the village of Hawkins. Quite a bit of Hawkins is already done, and it's kind of cool because we're going to cross over Morse Boulevard. This is Morse Boulevard right here in front of us, and then you have the Aviary Rec Center coming up here on your right that you'll be able to see. I point out. Now they're still working on this area. Obviously, they're putting these houses up. Hawkins looks like the next area that they're going to finish up, and then they'll start moving east through the St. Catherine area, probably Case and Hammock. I really hope you enjoy these videos. Like I said, they're going to get a little different. I'll probably do some get to know me videos and things like that. I'm also training for a half marathon, so if you guys would like to see some of that stuff, be my guest and leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to see some of that, I'll do some videos on that. The half marathons in Claremont's actually in a couple weeks. As always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one.